This is a new lunar month chart of India for June 2024, but it reveals more about the energy of the world. In this chart, Saturn, Rahu, Jupiter, Mars, Mercury, Venus, Sun, and Moon are aspecting Scorpio, and according to dispositor theory, Ketu is connected with Mercury. All planets are making a connection with the Rashi or zodiac sign Scorpio. Scorpio is heavily loaded. Scorpio signifies transformation, uncertainty, death, the share market, and sudden results, while Taurus represents wealth. There will be heavy fluctuations in the share market. The northern portion of India will face heat waves, earthquakes, and flash floods, while the southern portion will face heavy flood-like situations. Just after the election, this transit is happening in India. Since India is a Taurus ascendant, the 5-planet conjunction in the ascendant will cause political instability in the country. Worldwide, this planetary conjunction will bring severe transformation in both nature and politics.